In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail rules to move emails. 5 minutes. If your inbox feels cluttered, Gmail filters, sometimes called rules, can automatically sort messages the moment they arrive. Let's walk through creating one that moves specific emails where you want them to go. First, open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're in your inbox. Up at the very top, you'll see the search bar. On the right side of that bar is a small icon that looks like sliders or a funnel. Click that to open the advanced search panel. This is where you define exactly which emails your rule will catch. Fill in the fields that match the messages you want to organize. You can target a sender, a recipient, a subject, or words that appear in the body. You can also set size limits or choose whether the email has attachments. Combine multiple fields to narrow things down, and keep your criteria specific so the filter doesn't grab unrelated messages. Before you turn it into a rule, it's a great idea to test your search. Click the search button in that panel to see real results. Skim what appears. If anything looks off, go back and tweak your criteria until only the emails you actually want to move are included. When you're happy with the results, reopen the search panel and look for the Create Filter button at the bottom. Click that and you'll see a list of actions your filter can take. To move emails, choose Apply the label, then pick an existing label or create a new one that fits your workflow. If you want those messages out of your primary inbox, also select Skip the inbox so they go straight to that label. You can combine actions too, mark as read, star it, or categorize it, whatever helps you stay organized. If you've already verified your forwarding settings, you can also choose to forward matching messages. Keep in mind, forwarding requires a verified address in Gmail's settings beforehand. There's often an option to apply the filter to matching conversations that already exist. Turning that on is a quick way to tidy up past emails that meet the same criteria. When everything looks right, click Create Filter to confirm. From now on, new emails that match your criteria will be handled automatically. One important note, if you set the rule to forward messages, it applies only to new incoming emails, not older ones already in your inbox. That's it. With a few careful choices, your Gmail starts organizing itself, saving you time and keeping your inbox focused on what matters.